Hey guys, this is Not Born No More, and today we're going to be learning about how to make a pom-pom with a fork. So, if you're wondering what they look like, this is what they look like. Here's all the things you'll need. A fork, a ball of yarn, some scissors, and a comb. Okay, so you first start by taking your fork and your ball of yarn, and then take the, sorry I couldn't find that, take the tip, and then you don't cut it off, you just keep it on the ball of yarn. So go like in the middle, so this can't touch the bottom because then your yarn that you're gonna use to wrap around can't fit through. So you have to do it sort of in the middle. So you don't always have to use the fork. You can use your fingers, both two fingers, but I recommend not doing that because my fingers went purple. It was too tight. So you hold it down like that, and then you go around a few times. This is what it should look like when it's done. So when I cut it, it isn't gonna go really close. I'm gonna leave a little bit so I can put it under so it doesn't undo. So you first take this, it's very simple, and you stuff it under. It's all over this there. And so to tie it together, you get your yarn and maybe about 10 centimeters or maybe 7, that amount of yarn, just so I can wrap around 1 or 2 times of this. So first you stick this through. So okay, so as I said, you put that through. You put it through about 1 or 2 times. I did it 2 on this, until you have one coming out of this side and one coming out of this side. And now you tie it. Please make it really tight, because if you don't, it'll undo and it'll all fall apart. So you tie it. Okay, so I've done tying it. Now I'm just gonna snip these. Okay. So now you take it and you pull your yarn off, and it should look something like this. Looks like a little bow. So I'm gonna grab my scissors and just snip all the way down. This might take a while, so just warning you. After a long time of cutting. So, finally done cutting. Your ball should look like this. It's closer to looking like a pom-pom. So, it might look a little bit messy. So this is why we have to trim it. Trim it to look round. So I'm done with trimming it, and well, it can get a little bit messy, so probably I'm recommending for you to do it in front of the bin. So now you need to get your comb and hold the middle and start brushing it out. So I'll show you it when I'm done brushing or combing. So, all your yarn should be brushed out and it should look fluffy. And if you're not really satisfied on the way it looks, you can always trim it again. So I have a little bit of bits sticking out, so I'll trim that off. And now your pom-pom is done. So bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please remember to like and subscribe, and that will really support our channel. So bye.